What's going on, guys? It's Kevin Spengler here with Speng's World. We are getting ready to tear into the 2016 RZR Turbo here. We're going to do a cage and rock sliders on it before getting ready for the 2021 race season here. Probably in Indiana for the IXCR race season for a customer. Pulling all the stock stuff off and all the trail rider stuff on it and turn this trail ride into a racer. Alright guys, next thing we're going to do is pull off all the bolts on the roll cage. All you need is a 15mm wrench and socket. Sockets work better, or if you have a little impact. We'll need a bolt for the B-pillars, but they all come out fairly easy. Alright guys, the cage is off. That's how you pull a stock cage off, pretty easy. Depends on how many accessories you have, but you can easily do it within 10-15 minutes depending on your accessories. Now if you have a bunch of accessories with wires running and stuff, it's obviously going to take you a lot longer to disconnect everything. This one was pretty much stock, harnesses, and then the whips in the back there, and then disconnecting the light bar. But yeah, pretty easy job. Now comes the fun part. We're gonna build a cage for it next. So all right guys, we got the start of the cage done. We got the center section rolled, and then we got everything bent up and stuff for the main cage, so you can kind of get a look of what it's going to look like. Kind of get a start of what it's going to look like. It does have a 10-degree roll in the roof. Probably one of our more popular things now. Got the back all in from A to C. It's 4 inches lower than the stock cage. It's just sitting in there, so it might be a little lopsided, but whatever, it's not tacked in or anything. But next we'll put in our 2 roof bars, the center bar, get the B-pillars in there, lower window bars and stuff, get a harness bar and stuff in there. Cage will be done tomorrow, so get the cage done tomorrow, and then we'll start working on, we got some rock sliders to do. That'll go real quick, and should be a quick, easy build. And then after that, we got some work on the 4-seater here, taking it apart. Got the fork truck in here, it's time to go, so kind of packed everything in here. Give you a little teaser shot of the 4-seater. We'll do a walk around on that when we get back. It's getting a couple things modded to it. Customer brought it in, but it's gonna get all redone, powder coated and stuff. Still staying orange, but yeah, we got 2 2016 Polaris RZRs in here, both turbos and stuff, so we'll give you little teaser shots, I guess, of it before the next video. Alright guys, we got the center bar in for the intrusion bar and the roof bar. We got the lower window bar done. They're just all sitting in there, besides the lower window bar, it's tacked in there. But get kind of a visual on what that looks like. We gotta finish up the harness bar and then see if they want to do any intrusion bars on the rear window area, but it's all, the cage is basically done for the tube work and stuff. Now we just gotta TIG weld everything in place. But then we got the rock sliders that we'll be working on next as well. We got the parts for that, so we'll probably jump on that next. But yeah, that's basically, yeah, finish up the cage and move on to the next project. What's going on, guys? We had to push the 2016 Turbo out of here pretty quick as we were getting ready for all the King of the Hammer stuff. We got mine sitting back here right now. We're going to do a full build on that and stuff, and we're working on some doors and stuff for Randy. We got the 4-seater also right here. Probably not do a full build on it. We'll just do a couple updates and stuff as we go on there. But mine, we'll do a full build on there. So then over here, we're working on the RS1. It's about done. It's got a couple tabs to do. We got to order the window nets for it and stuff. We're just changing a few things for the guy who got it. He got a used one, so just a few updates on there and stuff and changes for him to fit his needs. But yeah, the 2016 Turbo's out, so we'll move on to the next one. Sorry, I had to cut it short, but alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you like the ending on this. We have a new lens for it and stuff, what you probably already saw in the King of the Hammers videos if you were watching that. We got the race video coming out still. I want to make it better than what I've been doing, I guess. So it'll probably be a little bit before it comes out. We got some pretty cool footage and stuff on that. But yeah, like this video if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, like it anyways. It'll help us out. Maybe it'll make the next one better. Subscribe if you're not already. We got some more riding videos and stuff coming up once it gets warmer. But yeah, other than that, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.